That is way better.
So we got these sent by 11 Mode in Australia, and we're going to fit it to my M3 and AJ's M4. As you can see, we've both got controllers each, and basically from factory, when you've got these in Sports Plus, they're not even open all the way. What would you say, that 75% open?
Yeah, so when you're in Sport Plus, the valves aren't even fully open. They're only like 75% open from what I've heard.
Yeah.
So I think when we put these on, the exhaust is going to sound louder. When we cold start these cars and you drive them around, they sound way louder than when they're warm. So I think hopefully they should sound a lot louder.
So I'll open this up and I'll show you what's included. So I'll be honest, it's really good packaging. Open it up and there's your controllers with your stickers and stuff. The reason why I got these is, look how they're packaged. There's no messing about with the wiring or looms and tapping into the boot or anything. Literally plug one of your factory looms into there and you plug one of the plugs into there, and literally that's it, plug and play. So it's only a 5-minute job to install these, quick and easy. Literally you plug one of the factory looms into them and the other one onto that side, and that's literally it. Literally 5 minutes probably on each car to do. I've ordered 2 key fobs just in case, you know, we lose one. So the top one I think is to open 11 Mode, and the bottoms to put it back into factory or close it. So yeah, so we'll get to installing them. I'll probably install it on my first and then on AJ's. But prior to that, we'll get some sound clips of both of them, from starting it up, Sports Plus, downshifting, just to see the difference on both cars.
So one thing I forgot to mention was the silver M3 is a single mid pipe, and my car on the right is a equal length mid pipe.
That Ranger over there that's smoking, I think it's going through, it's called runaway diesels. Car can run off oil.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't need to run off thing. So basically once it runs on the oil, it won't turn off, the car won't turn off. It'll just do that.
No way. Yo, my car's way louder than yours, man. Yours must be resonated, innit?
Yours not resonating?
Mine's non-res, but yours is way quiet compared to that. So right there you could hear from the downshift that the valve's shut.
So on the 11 Mode website, 3 steps to install it. So basically, unplug the connector, plug in the new one. So actually let me get that out to see which side goes where. So it's saying, so this bit here clips into the valve and that bit goes into the loom, and that's literally it. And then what we'll do is we'll test the remote to see if it works. So this is the 11 Mode controller, that's the loom. So that side is going to go here, and that connector there is going into there. So I'm going to do that on both sides, install them and show you afterwards, yeah. So guess what we found? One controller controls both the cars because they're probably on the same frequency. So I don't know if you can hear it because we're in a bit of an echoey car park. But 1 second.
That's open.
That's open.
So if you listen here,
that's closed. That's open.
and then with the same remote,
Same remote
it's controlling both of the cars.
at the same time. So guess what? I'm just gonna be trolling AJ. Every time he's like, I don't know, trying to show off, I'll just be like, close the valves. But I can't wait, you know, for the downshifts.
Yeah, the main thing with the valve controllers is when we downshift from like third gear, fourth gear, usually the valves are shut, so it sounds like a vacuum cleaner. But now it's gonna be loud. I can't wait to get in the car.
Yeah, literally. Let's test it out.
Yo, that is loud. From the driver's seat, you can't really tell it's that loud. Yo, that is way better. I'll show a clip from before and you can see the downshift from before and after. Oh my.